Attorney Raimundo, meron ba kayong duda that this person in front of you is Secretary Mike Defensor?
Wala po, wala
Oh,
po.
eh,
Already
naman pala eh.
established that.
Oh, tapos. So, can we leave now?
Yes, sir.
So, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
But sir,
Thank
let
you
me
for
just
coming,
make
sir.
it clear, no? I just want to respond to the allegation earlier that we're investigating a non-crime. That's not true po. As you can see in the joint affidavit of the quote-unquote 18 Marines, may allegations po of graft and corrupt practices, bribery, and other crimes. So, hindi po non-crime ito. May crime po tayo ni-investigahan.
Not against them.
Sagutin mo ko ngayon. Sagutin mo ko ngayon. Ipapatawag mo ba yung mga binanggit nila? O hindi? O hindi? Tell me now. Para tapos tayo.
sir,
So, alam natin kung non-crime o crime ito.
Huli ka
Yes
tuloy.
or no?
Huli ka tuloy. Huli ka tuloy.
Sandali lang.
Patatawagin mo ba yung mga binanggit nila? You
Sir,
tell me now.
Let me speak.
Hmm.
So we will have this
Yes or
interview now.
no? Yes or no? No, yes or no?
This is not a court. You can't do that, sir. Ha?
Okay.
Huli ka.
Bilis na agad ah.
Hindi, kanina pa hiningi eh.
Kano?
121,000. 121,000.
Wala na 2,000!
Ano? Ano ba kinain natin?
Baka mali, baka kulang yan.
Baka kulang eh. Teka, baka kulang yung dala kong pera.
Wala.
Oh.
Wala namang ganito dati. Ngayon ganto-ganto na.
Ganito na lang, sir. Ganito na lang, sir. So, we have prepared individual interview rules for
We do not consent. We already made it clear. We do not consent.
You may accompany your client.
Never mind.
So,
It does
all
not
your
matter. We
queries-
do not consent. We want to make that clear. We do not consent.
To ask
Which
the
part
questions.
of no? We do not consent to be interviewed at all. We want to leave, and there is nothing in the law that will prevent you from us leaving here now.
Ito kasi gusto nilang umalis na. Ngayon, ang nangyari, ayaw pa silang paalisin. So sinasabi niya, wala namang sinabi na kapangyarihan na meron kayo sa batas para i-hold kami dito. Ngayon kasi mga kabatas natin, no, para doon sa mga tao din na curious talaga sa NBI. Lagi ko nang ina-explain sa inyo ito. Kasi nga, unfortunately, marami ang gumagamit ng NBI para pangharas. Yun yung masama dyan. Kaya dapat mahanap din yung mga yon. Yung iba peke. Sabihin nila NBI, NBI. NBI kami. Meron nga akong loko-lokong kaklase sa law school noon eh. Sinasabi niya NBI siya. Sabi ko, NBI ka ba? Sabi niya, hindi. Sabi, bakit po sinasabi ka NBI ka? Sabi ko ganyan sa kanya. Hayaan mo lang. Sabi niya. Oh my gosh. Let's go.
So, if that's the case, sir, then
If you
just
want,
have
you
it
can
on
issue us
record.
other subpoena for another thing as long as it is relevant. When you say that the NBI has motu proprio powers, that power is not unlimited. It does not amount to a roving commission. We know that eh. Huwag na tayo magpulahan panyero. Ang bihira naman tayo eh. Ano bang gusto niyo sa kliyente ko? Identity. Hindi niyo kilala. I mean, not to be condescending, but hindi niyo kilala. Oh.
Ganito, sir. We can answer those questions in the right forum. We have an interview room where you may
We
be
do not.
present.
No.
Yun ang problema kasi dyan. We can answer those questions in the right forum, sabi niya. So, saan yung right forum? Kung saan sasagot yung NBI? Wala, di ba? Where is the right forum? It doesn't exist. Kasi nga, pag pinasok kayo dyan at in-interview kayo, hindi naman kayo yung magtatanong. Sila naman ang magtatanong sa inyo.
Kasi you
We
want
are
answers
not
to your
going to be
questions, sir.
interviewed. We are not
Sorry.
going to be interviewed.
Yes.
President Mundo, you said you have plenary powers as the National Bureau of Investigation. Can you imagine, you're going through budget deliberations in Congress. You're spending resources of the government investigating a non-crime. Walang krimen dito. I knew you were used during the Napoles investigation. May krimen doon. May scam. You were used in the PhilHealth scam. But ngayon, in plenary powers, you're expanding you to investigate these people.
Sir, excuse me. These people, as you say, they're witnesses. They're allegations of crime here. Remember, the 18 Marines.
Yeah, you want to establish first their identity. So you
Pero iniimbestigahan nyo kasi sila. For what crime sana? Yun ang tanong. Ngayon, dapat nga kasi ang imbestigahan nyo yung sinabi nila kung tama o mali. Yun kasi ang dapat makita at maihiwalay dito. 'Di ba? It is different if you are investigating the complainant as the person of interest and or vis-a-vis yung iniimbestigahan mo yung sinabi ng complainant in relation to a crime. Ang ginagawa nyo dito, obviously, you are investigating the complainants. Not what the complainants said. Hindi nyo may papalusot yan kahit anong gawin nyo. Sabi ni JB, tama, hindi sila involved doon sa crime. Sila nga yung nagsumbong na may crime. Yeah. Tapos sila ngayon yung iimbestigahan. Crazy, right?
Establish their identity. Now, if you want to investigate the affidavit, you investigate the substance. Pero
Correct. Investigate the substance.
for you to say na yung deputization nyo can go beyond the ombudsman, again, I'll repeat, you will go through a budget deliberations. And you are already saying that the NBI is doing this. Spending of the resources of government, investigating a non-crime.
Sir,
I'm just warning the NBI. Wala naman antay dito. I understand you.
Yes, sir.
Sir, just to be clear,
Attorney Mark Santiago.
yes, sir, Attorney Mark Santiago, sir, we respect all your sentiments at hindi kami maglalagpas doon sa aming mandate. Ito po is yung background investigation
Okay.
at saka credibility verification. Yun lang po. Tapos yung credibility, yes sir, let me finish na sir. Let me finish na sir.
No. Sinabi mo hindi kayo lalampas, lumalampas ka na ngayon eh.
No sir,
Oh.
I'm explaining. I'm not, let's not be overly dramatic sir. Simple lang. You may give, if you want, i-discuss po natin lahat sir. Sasabihin ko lang po na credibility verification. Kasama po doon yung statements nyo kung credible ba o hindi. Yun lang po.
How will you do that? How will you test the credibility of the witness if you don't have any other contravening evidence? Paano? Alam nyo, ganyan din yung ginawa kay Romualdez sa ICI. Inimbestigahan siya doon, pero yung imbestiga sa kanya, kinuha lang yung statement niya. Tapos na. Of course. Without counter evidence, dapat yun yung ituturing na totoo. Di ba? Kaya nga kay Martin Romualdez, sinabi walang krimen, wala siyang kinalaman sa kahit ano. Dito, i-check nyo yung credibility ng witness. Do you have that power? How will you do that? Do you have any idea? Or were you present during the times when they were doing what they narrated in the affidavit? Paano ka nagkaroon ng kapangyarihan na ikaw magde-decide kung credible ang isang tao o hindi? Di ba?
Po sir, yun lang po. Sana maintindihan nyo.
Ang tanong ko dyan, how will you do that? Background investigation, you can do that without the presence of the witnesses. Credibility investigation, you cannot do that. Because credibility is a matter of actually determining yung katotohanan na ng kanilang sinasabi. Papaliwanag ko sa inyo ang credibility, ha? Ganto na lang. Okay? Para sagad. Okay. Expert witness. Credible ba na expert witness ang isang abogado para sa medical na mga bagay-bagay? Hindi, di ba? Kasi nga abogado siya eh. Doktor ang kailangan doon. And vice versa. So, yun na usapan, tapos abogado yung doktor. Anong kredibilidad niyan? Walang kaalam-alam yan dyan. Ngayon, itetest nyo yung credibility nila in relation to personal experiences. Do they have the credibility to actually narrate or talk about their personal experiences, of course, how will you destroy their credibility? You will destroy their credibility if you can present contrary evidence. My gosh! Anong credibility na sinasabi nyo? Pupunta ako sa NBI, tetest mo yung credibility ko? Ganyan? One-on-one interview? Ano, judge ka na? Di ba? Itetest ho namin yung credibility. How will you do that? Paano mo sasabihin na credible ako? Siyempre, hindi mo masasabi. Bakit? Kasi nga, wala ka naman dun sa mga panahon na ginawa ko yung sinalaysay ko. My goodness.
Yung statements nyo, kung consistent ba with evidence, consistent ba with yung logic, lahat po yun.
Alam niyo ang joke dyan? Kung consistent ba with evidence, consistent ba yung logic, who are you to judge? Baka mas magaling pa ako sa logic sa'yo. Baka mas magaling pa ako sa evidence sa'yo. So, sino ka? Nagets niyo yung gusto ko sabihin? Hindi ko sinasabing mas magaling ako sa kanya. Pero, baka mas magaling ako. Why? Because that's not your power. My gosh. Hindi ka nag-a-adjudicate dyan. Hindi ka magsasabi na logical nga yan. Hindi ka You gather evidence. Then you file the case. Because you are not an adjudicative body. You can just file recommendations. You cannot dismiss anything as illogical. Why? Because you don't have adjudicative powers. Paano mo masasabi na mas may logic ka kaysa sa akin? Paano mo masasabi na consistent yung sinabi ko sa evidence? Paano? Sa korte maiintindihan ko bakit meron tayong batayan sa batas eh. This is how you present evidence. This is how you authenticate documents. These are hearsay. These are admissible in evidence. These are not admissible in evidence. Tapos sasabihin mo sa akin, logic. Tapos ikaw magdi-decide. Yung logical yung ginagawa ko o hindi. Nakalagay ba sa batas natin? Yung logic ba nakalagay ba sa batas natin? Nakalathala ba doon na ito ay ito? Tapos i-apply mo na lang? Hindi. Di ba?
Yun, kasi bago po mag-imbestiga yung ombudsman, yun po yung gagawin natin. Hindi po
Tingnan nyo yun. Bago mag-imbestiga yung ombudsman daw. So, i-check muna yung credibility nila. Hindi ba redundant? Ito kasi ang nangyayari dito sa Pilipinas. Malaking kalokohan din yan. Kung mag-iimbestiga rin pala yung ombudsman, bakit yan pa? So, sayang oras, sayang pera.
po kami mag-iimbestiga ng iba pa. Nasama lang po yung mga iba kasi base sa statements nyo, meron pong circumstances na kailangan imbestigahan para malaman yung credibility, sir.
How will you do that? Sabi ko nga, paano pag sinabi ko sa inyo na mas magaling ako sa logic? Paano pag sinabi ko sa inyo na mas magaling akong abogado sa iyo? Ano ngayon ang ascendancy mo sa akin para imbestigahan ako? Alam niyo the very reason why whenever I have cases, I work alone? Because many lawyers don't understand me. Maraming abogado ang hindi nakakaintindi sa akin. Sasabihin ko, ito gagawin lang, ito yun. Huwag na nating isali yan. Ito lang, okay na ito. Panalo na tayo dito. Pero sila gusto nila madami. Sabi ko, hindi. Ito lang. Paano yun? Paano pag sinabi kong mas magaling ako sa'yo?
Yun lang po. So other than that, if you will refuse, of course you can refuse, sir. We're just here to inform you na yun po yung proceedings na mangyayari.
Okay. Yung credibility po na sinasabi niyo. So, you beyond the identity, you also want to establish the credibility of the team.
As stated in the deputy station, sir. Credibility verification of the 18 individuals.
Dineputize kasi nung ombudsman na alamin yung kredibilidad nila. Ang galing nyo naman na malalaman nyo yung kredibilidad ng mga nandiyan sa interview lang. Samantalang sa korte, if you will establish the credibility of the accused or any witness for that matter, or you will destroy the credibility of any witness for that matter, there is a well-established procedure. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, pagkatapos ng procedure na yon na nasubukan na ng ilang daang taon, hindi credible yung witness. Pwedeng ma-impeach yung witness. Dito, mga kabatas natin, kakausapin mo lang sila. Alam na nila kung credible ka o hindi. Di ba? Di ba joke yun? Ikaw yung magdi-decide kung credible ako o hindi. No, si Balasi. Pag pumunta ako dyan, tapos nandiyan ako sa harap, we will test your credibility. Sino ka? Paano mo gagawin yun? Tapos sino magdi-decide kung credible ako o hindi? Ikaw din? Come on! Pwede ko bang i-apila pag sinabi mong hindi ako credible? Come on! Sa korte kasi, kapag sinabi, hindi credible yung witness, you can appeal it. Bakit nyo in-exclude yung witness ko? Sabi nyo, incredible yung witness ko. Ia-appeal ko. Ito, sinabi ni attorney NBI, hindi ka credible. Ang sad ko naman. Ano nang gagawin ko ngayon? Wala. Can you appeal? No. Ginudge ka lang. Ginudge ka lang. That's it. Pansit.
Who executed the joint application. Kasi sir, you filed a complaint to the Ombudsman. The Ombudsman deputized us to conduct background and credibility verification for their proceedings.
I just want to execute the affidavit as part of the affidavit. We just want to revise the
Sige po.
Definitely there should be discussion.
There is basis, it will be revealed later. As of right now, as you can see, we're being, this is a semi-public forum, so we don't want to disclose that here. But it will be disclosed during the interview, which you are welcome to understand.
Is it okay to disclose the receipt?
But now, no, not here. Not here. Not here.
Ang babaeng to, lawyer din nila. Isipin mo, no? Sabi ni Anton, nabindisyonan ni Almighty Ombudsman ang NBI para magbenda. Wala kang karapatan na mag-decide kung sino ang credible na witness o hindi. My gosh. Obviously, if they will undergo a fishing expedition here, that is a form of harassment. Anak ni Mike yan, lawyer ng nanay. Okay. Very good. Very convenient.
I cannot show you.
Yan ang maganda kapag meron kang anak o kamag-anak na abogado.
Now, it's a visual image. Okay.
Teka muna. Do you not know the identity of the subject? Oh, what is the purpose of the ID?
So, pag nag-big cost ka na, medyo malabo na.
No, hindi. Yun ang pag-usapan yun ni Atty. Baligod. Oo, ikaw, sabi ko, Atty. Raimundo, meron ba kayong duda that this person in front of you is Secretary Mike Defensor?
Wala po.
Oh,
We've
yun
already
naman pala
established
eh.
that.
Oh, tapos. So, can we leave now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
But sir,
Thank
let
you
me
for
just
coming,
make
sir.
it clear, no? I just want to respond to the allegation earlier that we're investigating a non-crime. That's not true po. As you can see in the joint affidavit of the quote-unquote 18 Marines, may allegations po of graft and corrupt practices, bribery, and other crimes. So, hindi po non-crime ito. May crime po tayo na-investigahan.
Not against them!
Sagutin mo ko ngayon. Sagutin mo ko ngayon. Ipapatawag mo ba yung mga binanggit nila? O hindi. O hindi. Tell me now. Para tapos tayo.
sir,
So, alam natin kung non-crime o crime ito.
Huli ka
Yes
tuloy!
or no?
Huli ka tuloy! Huli ka tuloy!
Patatawagin mo ba yung mga binanggit nila? You tell me now.
Let me speak. So we will have this
Yes or
interview now.
no? Yes or no? No, yes or no?
This is not a court. You can't do that, sir. Huh?
Huli ka. Huli ka. Huli!
So hindi nyo patatawag.
Let me finish.
Sinabi niya
Let me
non-crime.
finish, sir.
Sinabi niya non-crime. Sinabi mo hindi non-crime. So if you're investigating a crime, ang tinuturo ng mga 18 ay maaring, hindi ko sinasabing guilty, maaring gumawa ng krimen, ipatatawag mo ba?
Yan.
Just tell me, then dumaldal ka na ng dumaldal hanggang gusto mo. Sagutin mo lang ako, oo hindi.
Are you about done, sir?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so we will have an investigation. If the evidence points to them, if there's sufficient evidence, then we will do so. Ipapatawag din po namin sila.
Isipin mo, kailangan mo ng sufficient evidence para kumuha ng evidence. Kasi nga ang investigation, mga kabatas natin, yun yung paraan para kumuha ka ng ebidensya. Ngayon, sinasabi ng National Bureau of Investigation kung saan yung pag-iimbestiga ang paraan para kumuha ka ng ebidensya, di ba? Kaya nga, o pa-NBI ka para makakuha ka ng ebidensya, di ba? Hindi. Kailangan mo ng ebidensya para makakuha ka ng ebidensya. Aligasyon lang, pwede ka na. Pwede ka nang kumuha ng ebidensya. Grabe yun, no? Magrereklamo ka, kunwari ganito, no? Pupunta ako sa NBI. Sir, bakit na-snatchan po ako? Doon po sa may recto. Yung nang snatch po sa akin, ganito yung katawan, ganito yung in-snatch po sa akin. iPhone 17 Pro Max fully paid. 1 terabyte. Kulay orange po. O saan yung ebidensya mo na na-snatch sa'yo yun? Eh sir, wala sa akin yung phone eh. So, ang sinasabi mo sa akin, pumunta ka dito. Tapos, yung sinasabi mo lang na na-snatchan ka, yun lang ang dahilan namin para mag-imbestiga kami. Sir, sana po. Ay, hindi. Kailangan namin ng ebidensya. Kung sapat yung ebidensya, sige, iimbestigahan namin yung snatchan na nangyari. Ang weird, di ba?